Announced on September 7, the iPhone 14 Pro. It's an unboxing video, and I like to unbox Apple's new high-end flagship smartphone being sold alongside the lower-cost iPhone 14 and 14 Plus. The iPhone 14 Pro models are much more feature-rich than the iPhone 14 models, offering camera technology and improvements, better display capabilities, a faster A16 chip, and more. The 6.1 and 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Pro models look like the iPhone 13 Pro models, with flat edges, stainless steel enclosure, a textured matte glass black, IP68 water resistance, and a ceramic shield protective display. But the camera bumps are larger to accommodate new lenses. The display has also changed. There is no longer a notch for the true depth camera system, with Apple instead adopting what it calls the dynamic island. A pill-shaped cutout at the front of the display houses camera equipment and can change in shape and size using software depending on what's on the screen. The iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Max feature a new Super Retina XDR display with updated ProMotion technology that allows for an always-on display, a first for an iPhone. In addition to always-on technology, iPhone 14 Pro's Super Retina HDR display offers higher peak HDR brightness up to 2000 nits. There's an updated A16 chip in iPhone 14 Pro models.